Hello everyone and welcome to today's vlog. I'm so excited to have you here. In today's video, I'll be sharing a full room tour of our resort view room at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. If you're new here, welcome, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to click that red subscribe button so you don't miss any of our Disney adventures. Now let's go check out this room and see if this is something you'd be interested in for your next trip, or if you've already booked this room and want a little peek before you go. Welcome to our room. We got a resort view room in the Fiji building, which is right across from the Great Ceremonial House, the resort's main lobby building, and it has a beautiful view of the lagoon. This room comes with 2 queen-size beds and a sleeper sofa, so it comfortably sleeps up to 5 people. Let's take a closer look at all the cozy details and see what this room has to offer. So as soon as you enter, on the left side is where the storage is, all the cupboards, and on the right side is where the bathroom is. So the cupboards have like a sliding door, and there's plenty of space to hang your clothes, or if you hang your packing cubes or whatever it is, there's a lot of storage for that. And there's also like a top shelf. And then the second cupboard is where you have more storage to hang stuff. And then on the top you have extra pillows and blankets. On the bottom of this cupboard you'll find 2 drawers, so you can store more packing cubes there. And then the third cupboard is where you have your steamer, and then you have a full-length mirror and also a safe. Right next to the cupboards is where you'll find the coffee station. It has a beautiful wallpaper, a Moana-inspired wallpaper with hey on it. And then you have a Keurig machine, and you'll find like a drawer right underneath it. And then you'll find cups, and then coffee cups, and Joffrey's coffee, and sugar, and sweetener, and milk. And then right underneath it, you can find the beverage cooler where you can store all your water or whatever drink you have. Now let's move to the main part of the room. As soon as you enter, you will see the welcome sign. As you can see, you'll always have that welcome sign at every Disney resort. And then you have a beautiful storage area where you have 3 drawers. These drawers are so beautiful and there's so much space. They're like really big drawers. And then right next to it, there's like a side table with a lamp, and then you'll see the beautiful wallpaper with Moana and Maui, and it's really beautiful, and this is what makes you feel like you're at Disney, and I think they did a really good job with the wallpaper. And right underneath it you'll find the 5th sleeper. They have cute octopus pillows on it, and this pulls out and you can make this a bed. Right next to it, we had 2 tables, one big one, one small one. They were bistro tables, so you can set your food, you can bring food to the room and enjoy this beautiful view. We didn't have a balcony in our room, but they told us that before. But most rooms have balconies, so you can always ask if you have a balcony or just this sliding door. And then right next to it, we had the standing lamp with Moana, Hey, and Maui on it. And we had an armchair with a footrest on it, so you can just sit there, relax, and check out the view. And then right next to it we had the beds, and we had a small ledge where you can just charge your phone, which was pretty cute. It doesn't take up a lot of space. And then also above the beds you can find the reading lights that they have at most Disney resorts. And then the headboard was absolutely stunning. It had like a Polynesian vibe to it. And then the queen size beds also had like long pillows with the Polynesian prints, which was pretty. Then again you have the 5th sleeper, which is really nice to have in the room. And then you also have like 2 benches at the end of the beds, which is really nice. You can keep your bags, your kids can play, so that was a really nice touch. And then between the 2 beds you have a table which has the phone and the Hey Disney device. And then you also have a bunch of outlets, like regular outlets, USB outlet, USB-C outlets, which is pretty nice. And also it has a drawer and then more storage space. And then right underneath the beds there's lots of space to keep your luggages and stuff, so that's pretty nice. Then right next to the bed, you'll find a beautiful artwork of Moana. It was so beautiful and it just brings the room together. Now let's move on to the bathroom. The bathroom is located on the right side when you enter the room, and you'll find two vanities, each stocked with Disney themed toiletries, and it has a large mirror which is really nice, so you can do your makeup here. The lighting is perfect. Also, you have plenty of space to keep all your stuff, like your toiletries, your makeup, which is really nice to have. Moving along, this bathroom has a shower tub combo, which is really nice, especially if you have kids that love taking baths. So that is perfect for that. And then there are two hooks right beside the shower where you can hang your towels and your clothes or your swimsuits, whatever you want. This shower has this beautiful gray tiles with some Polynesian prints on it, and then you have the shower head, a black shower head, and it also has a handheld shower, which is great if you have little kids. They also provide you with like shampoo, conditioner, and soap, so you don't need to bring your own, which is pretty nice. And then the toilet is separated with a sliding door, which is really nice if somebody needs to use the toilet and you're showering. And then there's some beautiful Polynesian artwork, and then there's more towels and more space to keep some little things, I guess, which is pretty nice. That's it for the room tour, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. I'm gonna do another of our second resort, but we love this room and we're gonna go eat now. Look at my face, it's already oily because of the heat. So we're gonna head out and go eat at Kona Cafe right now.